Hey, what's up YouTube? This is YugiohduelacademJosh. Today I'm going to be opening one pack of one booster pack today. So let's get started. I'm going to open the hidden Arsnel 2. I already opened it, as you can see. So anyway, as you can see, I already took out the cards. Let's see if I'm gonna save the last card, the front. So let me see what I get. Miss Valley Falcon. Meaty Mouth the Ice Barrier. Miss Valley and Ellie Justice. Enemy Catcher. And the card that I got is Ellie's Justice. Field Marshal. Not bad. This could go to my... Okay, so these are the cards that I pulled. Let me just list them. So these are the cards that I pulled. Well, might as well show it. This. Doesn't need to see a closer look. Okay, thanks for watching, YouTubers and YugiTubers. These will be placed into my binder. I have to redo it over again. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day and peace.